Welcome to How To. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of data visualization with Excel. Whether you're a spreadsheet novice or a seasoned pro, creating stunning charts and graphs in Excel is a game changer when it comes to presenting and analyzing your data. Get ready to unlock the power of visual storytelling as we take you step by step through the process of creating eye-catching charts and graphs that will captivate your audience. So, let's jump right in and unleash your data's visual potential. Open Microsoft Excel and enter your data into a spreadsheet. Make sure to organize your data with clear labels for each column and row. Select the data range that you want to include in the chart. You can click and drag to select the cells. With the data range selected, go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Charts group, you'll see various chart types such as column, line, pie, etc. Choose the chart type that best suits your data by clicking on it. Select the specific chart variation you want by clicking on it. Excel will insert the chart into your worksheet. Customize your chart as needed. Excel provides various options to modify the chart's appearance and layout. You can change the chart title, axis labels, legends, colors, styles, and more. To access these options, you can use the Chart Tools tabs. If necessary, you can also switch the row and column orientation of your data in the chart. Right-click on the chart, choose Select Data, and then use the Switch Row, Column button if needed. Additionally, you can resize and reposition the chart within your worksheet by clicking and dragging its edges. Once you have created and customized your chart, you can add it to a separate sheet within the workbook by right-clicking on the chart and selecting Move Chart. Choose the desired sheet or create a new one, and click OK. Finally, save your Excel file to retain your chart. And there you have it. You've now mastered the art of creating dynamic charts and graphs in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest Excel tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments below if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you for watching, and happy charting!